All right. Good day, guys. This is Simple Graphics, and in this video, I want to be showing you how you will save your work for print. You know that many people, after designing, they just save as normal designs. But for every design, you need to save it in the highest format as you can, so that it will retain its quality when you are printing. Okay, hello guys. If you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe in this video. This video will not take long. I just want to explain some things as we go. So you need to save your document, your designs in the best way that you can, so that whenever they send it to your client or anyone, it will retain the size. Start. So what you do is, first of all, when you open up the design, I want to use this last tutorial as an example. Now when you open up your design and you want to save, you click on the save. First of all, the size, you start by making the size. Let me say I want to save this and they want to print it, and this is the size that they want to print it. I'm just using this as an example. What you do is to add 10 to the end and 10 to the end. Your first process, if you want to design, this is what you do. You make the numbers larger. You understand? You make the size bigger on your phone, because when you are designing with a phone, it will have lower quality than the one you design with your system, which you can easily increase your size. So the first thing to do first is to increase the width and the height, but it will still retain the same size. So nothing changed with the size. I just added 10, so that's the first step you take. And then the second step you take is, after your designs, okay, second step is use good quality images. Use good quality images. Understand? Images that have nice qualities. That's what you are going to use. And the third thing to do is, when saving as you save with PNG, and then in this format you put PNG, and then in the last place you put ultra. So this is how you save. And when you save, sometimes if you add many images, it's going to take time for it to load, and when you save it, it's going to the quality is going to be nice, leaving leaving it the way it is when you want to send it to other document. Now, you seeing the size is about 8.98. Now look at the one I saved before. It's just 3.73. Understand? So all these are the one I save with JPEG. So when you save with JPEG, the size is smaller, but when you save with PNG, the size looks bigger. Understand? So most of my work that I want to send to clients, I used to save them as what. But note this, that if you want to send your work to your client, make sure you rename it on your internal storage, on your Pixel App folder. Rename it before you send to them. That makes you look professional. You don't have to tell people that you're using phone to design before you send your work, or before they see that your work is nice. You understand? So whatever you are doing, try to make it look professional. Whatever design you are doing, try to make it look professional. That is renaming your work and then sending it as a document file. Okay, so that's So this is the end of this video. This is just what I want to show you guys. So whichever design that you make, try as much as possible to save as PNG. First of all, you change your image size and use a good quality pictures, and then save as PNG Ultra. Understand? So that is that. So if you've not subscribed, please do so. The next video is going to come out next week, Monday. So thank you guys for joining me. Simple Graphics. You can join the Telegram group, send your design to the Telegram group, and whatever chat you want to chat. If you need correction on the rest, you can as well chat me up there. So we'll see how to work this out. So thank you very much.